Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the screen issue which is present in the MI11X device, friends. And a lot of users there did ask me this kind of question that what's happening with the MI11X device regarding the green tint issue which is present in the display. And this was the questions. I am getting a lot of messages regarding this issue. So asking me to test in this kind of particular scenario. So a couple of users who already got the MI11X device, they did receive the mobile phone, but they are facing this kind of green tint issue in the low brightness in the dark environment mode, as you can see, friends. So this is the question which was asked me to test this kind of scenario in my studio. So let me try to test this kind of same scenario. I'll try to use in my studio itself, and I'll try to show you, friends, what's happening with the green tint issue in this MI11X device. And recently I did get the MIUI 12.5 update as well, so I thought of mentioning to you before starting the video. So try to check those videos just in case if you're curious to know more other details about the MI11X smartphone. You can find all the links in the description below. Try to check the playlist as well. So I did try to use this kind of application, friends, during this process of testing, so which is a screen test pro application, so which will demonstrate couple of colors. So starting with the blue color, red color and black color. So basically the green color tint issue mostly will be detected on the gray colors itself. So basically, friends, in this application there are multiple tests, as you can see. If you try to scroll down, so there's so many tests you can do on the particular screen, but our main focus will be using this kind of scenario, so we're using the low brightness and with the dark environment. So that is what I will be focusing today on. So that's why I try to scroll down in the menu, and you can find this kind of option, so which is the minimum brightness level, testing the different colors. So that is what I'm going to do right now, friends. So as soon as I click this option, the screen will become completely minimum, so it will completely go 0. So I need to switch off my studio light to make sure that you exactly see what's happening in the green tint issue. So usually the green tint issue will be happening in this top area. So let's see, friends, whether the green tint issue is there in this MI11X device or not, which a lot of users are really interested to know particularly. So let's get started. So right now let's see, friends, with the minimum brightness. So as I said, so let me try to tap on the minimum brightness. So first color will be with the black color completely. So next is a slightly kind of grayish color. So this where sometimes I can observe easily some kind of green going on, little bit, not much. So try to focus, friends. When I'm trying to tilt the mobile phone, you will be able to see little bit kind of green shadows sometimes, not all the times. I'm not sure whether you will be able to capture in this kind of video recording, but sometimes. So this is a very rare scenario where using the low brightness and in very dark environment, as you can see sometimes. So these are another color. So you won't be able to notice on much colors, but only on the dark images like gray or few colors only you will be able to see that kind of green tint issue, not all of them. So let me try to show it again to you. As you can see, friends, so when I twist the mobile phone, so try to test this application in your mobile phone and just check whether you are having any kind of issues or not in terms of the green tint issue. So these are the low brightness usage of the phone in the dark mode completely, as you can see, friends, in the dark mode. So try to observe whether you will be able to notice any kind of green tint or not. So try to see whether you will be able to see or not. But usually I'm not able to see any kind of green tint in my mobile phone, as you can see, friends, even with the low brightness. So right now I'm using pretty low brightness in the dark mode, in the dark environment as well, but only in some scenarios where there is a gray color image, I think maybe you might be able to see, but other than that it should be kind of good. So this is another gray color which I selected from the Google Images directly, which is a completely plain gray color, as you can see here. So I can feel sometimes but not all the times. So alright, friends, there's a little bit kind of green is going on when you tilt the mobile phone sideways, but this is a very rare scenario where you will be using the phone with a very low brightness and with a very dark situation. So maybe at the night time before going to bed, or maybe when there's a power cut, if you want to use in the low brightness screen, so only during that times you might be able to notice some kind of green tint. But if you ask me, will it cause a problem for the long run, I don't think it will cause a long run problem, because this kind of problems did happen actually in the other smartphones like OnePlus as well. There's a lot of OnePlus mobile phones which have this kind of problem. So when I started to do research about the green tint issue, most of the problems are detected in the OnePlus phones in terms of the green tint, this kind of problem, as you can see. The same kind of test I did in my mobile phone as well. So that's how I did find out that sometimes you do see this kind of green color going on, but in the long run, it doesn't affect much, I would say, definitely, friends. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to comment below if you're having the MI11X device, and in case if you're not feeling any kind of green tint issue as well, just let me know, friends. I just want to know how many MI11 users are actually feeling that kind of issue in their mobile phone. Is it with only one or two people, or is it with happening with every one of them or not? So that's what I want to know, and this will be helpful for the other users who are thinking of buying this particular MI11X device. That will be a very great solution for them as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and also don't forget to share my videos with your friends as well, in case if they are planning to buy the mobile phone. And definitely I'll do in the next couple of days testing on this phone in terms of the MIUI functionality. What about the MIUI and what are the features we did get in this phone? All those things I'll try to talk in the next couple of days. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.